I got a call that my dad had collapsed at work and that he was being taken to the hospital in an ambulance. I got there as fast as I could. He's only 55, but he's had some medical problems lately, and I was just so scared. The doctor started asking me what kinds of tests he's had and what kinds of medications he was on, and I didn't know. I felt so helpless.
When you or someone you love has a medical emergency, every second counts. You want your medical team to be able to figure out what's wrong as soon as possible and to start giving the treatment you need to save your life. If doctors don't know anything about your medical history, it might be hard for them to diagnose your condition, which could mean delayed treatment, or even worse, the wrong treatment. Your personal medical information is the most important tool doctors need to give you the best care. But up to now, much of your medical information has been stored in paper files in different doctors' offices, only available by fax or phone. This outdated system has made it very difficult for doctors to easily get a full picture of your health. But now, there's new technology to make your medical information available to your doctors immediately in a safe, secure way. That technology is called a health information exchange. Here in Rhode Island, we call that service currentcare. Currentcare is a secure and safe service that you can join for free that makes your medical information available to your doctors on computer. So even if you have a new doctor or change doctors or move to another part of the state, your doctors can easily find your medical information. And that means better, faster, safer treatment for you. Until recently, medical information was usually faxed or delivered by courier, wasting precious time and making it possible for your information to go to the wrong place where others could see it. CurrentCare's secure electronic network shares your medical information instantaneously and in a way that protects your confidentiality. It's safe and secure, with strong privacy controls built in. With CurrentCare, you choose which doctors you want to see your information. You can always limit or change that list. Only the medical team treating you can look at your information, and you have the right at any time to know who has accessed your medical records. CurrentCare is available for free to all people in Rhode Island, adults and children. You choose whether or not to join. Your information will only be available to your doctors through CurrentCare if you choose to join.
Patients should opt in for CurrentCare because it does allow physicians and other providers to access your records in a manner that provides the highest level of care for you. And that's very helpful to us as we try to take care of the whole patient to really make the correct diagnosis at the time of the visit.
I was at home and the patient was having chest pain. The physician in the emergency room called me to find out more about the patient. So from home I was able to access the patient's chart and was able to convey to the physician in the emergency room that the patient just had a cardiac evaluation. Instead of an admission to the hospital, the patient was able to go home feeling comfortable because the doctor had access to those records. So having the records available from all aspects, lab and x-ray, emergency rooms, will not only speed up the care, it would eliminate duplication of testing and give better medical care.
Over the next few years, CurrentCare will continue to grow. Not every Rhode Island doctor, hospital, lab, pharmacy, or x-ray center will be a part of CurrentCare immediately, but most will join the service in the months ahead. You can join CurrentCare right now. It's easy, it's free, and it's completely voluntary. All you have to do is go on your computer to www.currentcareri.com and follow the easy instructions, or call toll-free 888-858-4815. You can also ask your doctors about whether they will be joining CurrentCare. Join today. Find out more at currentcareri.com or call toll-free 888-858-4815. CurrentCare is a free service offered by the Rhode Island Quality Institute, a nonprofit organization dedicated to improving health care for all Rhode Islanders. This production was funded by a Medicaid transformation grant from the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid in cooperation with the Rhode Island Department of Human Services and the Rhode Island Department of Health.